Can I activate my Lloyds contactless card online?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to answer a very common question. Can I activate my Lloyds contactless card online? The quick answer is yes, you absolutely can. Now, let's get into the details of how you can easily activate your Lloyds contactless card online, step by step.
Do I need to have an online banking account?
Before we start, it's important to note that you'll need an online banking account with Lloyds to activate your card online. If you don't have an online banking account set up yet, don't worry. You can easily create one by visiting the Lloyds Bank website and following the instructions there.
How do I log in?
Once you have an online banking account, the first step to activate your contactless card is to log in. You'll need your user ID, password, and possibly some additional security information depending on the setup of your account.
Where do I go to activate my card?
After you've logged in, look for an option that says Manage Accounts on the main dashboard. Click on this option and look for Activate a new debit or credit card. Clicking on this option will lead you to the activation process.
What information will I need to activate my card?
To activate your card, you'll need the card number, expiration date, and security code. These are all found on your card. Follow the prompts on the screen, enter the necessary information, and your card should be activated shortly.
What if I encounter problems?
If you encounter any problems during the process or if your card isn't working after you've attempted to activate it, contact Lloyds customer service for help. Their team can assist with troubleshooting and answer any questions you might have about the process. Activating your Lloyds contactless card online is a simple and convenient process that you can complete from the comfort of your own home. Remember, you need an online banking account, your login information, and your card details. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact customer service. We hope this guide has been helpful in answering your questions. Happy banking!